And now it's about time para purihin po naman natin ang ating mga graduates. May we request our graduates to stand up.
May we present to you the graduates of the Mabini Academy for the school year 2010-2011.
Graduates, please remain standing for the oath taking, the oath of membership to the Alumni Association to be led by Mrs. Yolida Mauban. She is the Vice President for Secondary Department, the Mabini Academy Alumni Association.
Please raise your right hand. I, an alumna of the Mabini Academy, do solemnly pledge to be loyal to my alma mater, to uphold the principles embraced by this institution, to practice the virtues and values it inculcated upon me, to strive to become a good individual, who will serve God, the country, and the community. Now, the graduating class will render their graduation song. Sila po ang pumili niyan. To be followed by our alma mater.